Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. In today's video, we will check out the recipe of how to make very healthy tamarind rice, which is also called as Pulihora, the temple style with coconut chutney. So friends, there are three parts for making the tamarind rice or Pulihora, the temple style. So first, we'll take about 4 cups of rice and we will wash it thoroughly and soak it in water. So I'm taking Sona Masuri rice. For 1 cup of rice, we will add 2 cups of waters. So you can adjust according to the rice you are taking. And next, we'll take half a cup of tamarind and soak it in water so that we can later make a paste out of it. Okay, so after which let's begin on making the masala powder. So first we'll take coriander, pepper, fenugreek seeds, black mustard about 4 teaspoons, and let us roast it on a medium flame, low medium flame. Roast it nicely so that they do not burn. You will start getting the aroma as these are frying. And after which you will add sesame seeds about 5 teaspoons and then fry it until these are golden brown, not too much, just when they start fluttering. So this masala powder will add very distinct flavor. So once those are done frying, they are roasted, we will grind it finely in a grinder and it will look like that. Okay, now next, the tempering. Let's take peanuts. So now we are preparing the tempering for the tamarind rice. And next goes chana dal. And then some black mustard, about 2 teaspoons, and cumin seeds. So we are going to roast them in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, any cooking oil. So gently roast them and then add urad dal. When the groundnut is little roasted, that's when you will add the urad dal, because urad dal doesn't take much time to roast. Mix them well. These will add very good flavor to the tamarind rice. Okay, now add handful of curry leaves and dry red chilies. Once they are roasted, it is done. Now let's prepare the tamarind chutney. Take about 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil and about 5 to 6 split green chilies. Roast them and then mix the tamarind well with your hands so that all the juice comes out in the water. And then with the help of a strainer, you can put that in the vessel to cook. You can do something like that. Okay, now cook it until it starts boiling and it starts leaving from the sides of the pan. Then add turmeric, mix it well and cook it for a while. This will take about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, now add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of jaggery. This is completely optional, but jaggery is really good for health. If you don't have jaggery, do not replace it with sugar. Okay, now that you can see it is leaving the sides and it is done. Now it's time to mix. So rice, I have cooked the rice in the rice cooker. Now first add the tamarind mix and then gently mix it so that rice is not breaking. You have to make sure that the rice is not breaking. Gently with the soft hands mix it really well. Then add the tempering that we prepared and then give it a good mix, again with a gentle hand. You have to be really patient. You'll have to keep your patience. Yeah, mix it really well. Let the flavors mix. Now we will add the masala powder that we made. Add little bit. Do not pour everything in the first go. Add little by little, and if you like more, then you can add more. And with the gentle hands, fold it, mix it. And that's it. This is the temple style tamarind rice. This is really delicious. Definitely friends, give it a try. Now let's prepare the coconut chutney. I have grated the fresh coconut. You can have frozen ones if you don't have. And half a cup of chana dal. Grind both of them in a grinder. Then add coriander, green chilies, 2 to 3 garlic pearl, I'm taking about 2 to 3, and little bit of tamarind. And that's it. Now for tempering, 2 spoons of oil with 1 teaspoon of urad dal. This is for the tempering of the coconut chutney. And as it turns its color and start fluttering, add handful of curry leaves and dry red chilies. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of asafoetida, hing. Mix it well as it is done. And as the urad dal changes its color, that indicates it is done. Add it on top of the chutney, and the chutney is ready. It is so delicious. This combination, tamarind rice and coconut chutney, is awesome. Definitely give it a try. Friends, you can have this as a breakfast or lunch or dinner. And let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this recipe.